welcome back. This is the Gadget Show, and now it's time for a bout of unboxing with the handsome, the debonair, the incomparable talent that is Mr. Otis Dealey.
What do you want? What do you want?
I heard through the grapevine that you've got,
Oh, my book. Not out till next year. Yeah.
No,
Pet crocodile. Rumour.
No, the
Birds. What?
The folding phone.
Oh, yes, the folding phone. Yeah. Not this week, I'm afraid. Really sorry. But what we have got...
Hot Wheels!
Oh, good.
I used to love Hot Wheels when I was a kid. This is better than a folding phone.
This is the Hot Wheels ID Smart Track, OK? So what they're doing is they're dragging Hot Wheels into the 21st century. Digital capabilities. OK?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so you've got real cars and virtual cars. You can measure the speed, measure the laps, take part in virtual events. Let's have a look. It's a big box.
Now, believe me, I am a Hot Wheels demon.
Are you?
Yeah.
Is that right?
I bet you played with this as a kid, didn't you, John?
I have very fond memories, yes.
Whoa. Hey.
Look at it.
This is the business, man.
Hey? So, in here, you've got your parts to a track, and you can, of course, customise the track as well. It comes with 2 cars, but you've got a choice of quite a few cars. I've set up one for us to have a closer look at here.
Wow.
This is the app here. Which of these 2 cars would you like?
I'm going with the red fella.
The red fella.
All right.
OK, so you just place it on the track there. It should register. So you are the 177.
It's got a ring to it, hasn't it?
Yeah, almost as old as you are. There we are. And I will have, oh yes, the Super Blitzen.
Suits you.
So all the data from these 2 cars is now in the app.
OK.
OK, and we are going to race.
All righty.
So take
Good
your
to
place
go.
there. OK,
All
as you
right.
know, it's about pumpy and then getting it round as quickly as you can. Look at that!
Ladies and gentlemen.
What?
OK, see.
OK.
Beat that, Dealey.
OK, all right, victory to you.
What else can it do?
Well, there's a whole bunch of different track setups that you can do, but this one that I want to show you is a virtual competition. OK, so we take the pod, the all-important intelligence of the game there, and then we add some more tracks. So you can buy a bunch of new track for about £10.
Oh, brilliant.
Plug them in. OK, and then this here is a virtual setup. The object of this particular game is to time your jump on the ramp, which is moving up and down, perfect, so that your car launches off and crashes through those boxes. This one I think we'll need to work together on.
All right, out the pumping.
OK.
OK.
All right, pump away. Pump.
Go on, Otis.
Here we go, we're launching! Yes! So what do you think, guys?
I think it's really exciting. I want to know, can you retrofit the old cars? I mean, I'd like to see my 68 Mercury Cougar in gold with the black roof go round there. Yes.
I really love the extra layer of gamification that you get with the app. I think it's brilliant.
Absolutely brilliant. Well done, Otis.
Thank you.